Friends, welcome to Lesson 4. My name is Miss Bertuman, and today's lesson is all about relating metric units to place value units. Here's what we'll need for today's lesson. Let's begin. What units for mass, length, and capacity have we learned so far? We've learned about grams, kilograms, centimeters, meters, kilometers, milliliters, and liters. Let's start first with milliliters and liters. What relationship have we discovered between milliliters and liters? We learned that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. We can also say that 1 liter is 1,000 times as much as 1 milliliter. What relationship have we discovered between meters and kilometers? 1 kilometer is 1,000 times as much as 1 meter. What relationship have we discovered between grams and kilograms? 1 kilogram is 1,000 times as much as 1 gram. I've written it here in the form of an equation. I can also write it in the form of this chart, like this. I wonder if other units have similar relationships. What other units have we discussed so far? We've discussed ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. What do you notice about the units of place value? Are there relationships similar to those of metric units? Yes, 1 kilogram is 1,000 times as much as 1 gram, just like 1,000 is 1,000 times as much as 1. What unit is 100 times as much as 1 centimeter? I'd like you to write your answer as an equation on your whiteboard now. What unit is 100 times as much as 1 centimeter? 1 meter. Can you think of a place value unit relationship that is similar? I was thinking 100 is 100 times as much as 1. I was also thinking about 100,000 is equal to 100 times as much as 1,000. One meter is equal to 100 centimeters. What unit is 100 ones? 100 equals 100 ones. Earlier we discussed that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. We also discussed that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Did you discover two place value units with a similar relationship? 1,000 equals 1,000 ones. We can rename 1,200 milliliters as 1 liter, 200 milliliters. How can we break 1,200 into place value units? 1,200 is 1,200 ones. We can rename the following: 15,450 milliliters as 15 liters, 450 milliliters. We could also rename 15,450 grams as 15 kilograms, 450 grams. How can we rename 15,450 into place value units? 15,450 can be renamed as 15 thousands 450 ones. We can also rename 895 centimeters as 8 meters, 95 centimeters. How could we break 895 into place value units? $895 is 8 hundredths, 95 ones. Excellent work. Let's compare 724,706 milliliters to 72 liters, 760 milliliters. Which one is more? I'd like you to pause the video here to share aloud which one you think is more and how you can use place value knowledge to compare. Of course, I'll be here when you get back so we can compare answers. Which one is more? 724,706 milliliters is more than 72 liters, 760 milliliters. 724,706 milliliters is equal to 724 liters, 706 milliliters, and that is much greater than 72 liters, 760 milliliters. Excellent work. Let's go ahead and erase our boards here. On your whiteboard, Draw a number line from 0 kilometers to 2 kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1,000 meters. 2 kilometers is equal to how many meters? 2,000 meters. I'd like you to pause the video here and share aloud. How many centimeters are in 1 kilometer? Since 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, that means that 1,000 meters is equal to 100,000 centimeters. How many centimeters are equal to 2 kilometers? 2 kilometers is equal to 200,000 centimeters. Pause the video here so that you can recreate this number line on your whiteboard now. When you come back, I'll tell you what we'll do next. Now that you've recreated the number line, you're going to again pause the video here, and this time you're going to place these measurements on your number line in the correct spots. As you do so, explain aloud how you know where each measurement goes. We'll compare our work when you get back. How did you do? I'm sure you did great. Go ahead and take a moment now to compare your work with mine. The last thing we're going to do, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and pause the video one more time. And this time, I'd like you to take these 3 measurements and place them in order from least to greatest. We'll compare our work when you get back. Welcome back. Here are the measurements from least to greatest. Excellent work today. Let's go ahead and move into today's assignment. Your must-do problems for today are here on the screen. Go ahead and set a timer or use the clock for 10 minutes to complete these problems. If you have any additional time, feel free to work through any other problems on the pages. Today's lesson was all about relating metric units to place value units. Make sure to check in with your teacher, and of course, we'll see you next time for another Eureka Math lesson. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye!